Well, look at this new owl friend that I got. Check him out. He's pretty cool. He's much cooler than the last one that I had, I think. So, here's what I want you to do. I want you to echo after me first, on some owl sounds, and then I'm gonna have you create some of your own. Okay, here you go. Can you echo? So the same thing that I do. Woot, 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 woot. Good. Try woot. Uh-huh. Woot. Uh-huh. Woot. Woot. Good. Try woot. And one more. Woot. Good. Now this time what I want you to do is something different than what I'm singing, okay? Still on some owl sounds, but you're going to do something different than what I'm doing, all right? Try this out. Woot. Good. Make sure it was something different, okay? Woot. Woot. Good. I have some sixth graders going by. They're really noisy. I'm sorry. Try this one. Woot. Good. Remember something different. Woot. Woot. Good. Woot. 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 Good. Do one more. Something different. Woot. Good. Yay.